everyone, Amy here. This is your weekly update for Friday, November 13th, 2020. So it looks like it's hoodie weather again. There's a little bit of a chill in the air, but this recent warm and dry trend allowed us to get a lot done around the nursery. Let's head back to the greenhouse and we'll start there. So I've made it over here. The poinsettias were doing so well in the back. We decided just to bring them up early. They look gorgeous. Definitely a lot different in here than the last couple of weeks with no plants in here except a couple house plants. Let me show you a closer look. Now, if you remember when these poinsettias first came in, they were just green, but they've really colored up nicely. And of course, we are using biological controls. One of those is this copper sticky trap. It'll grab whitefly and give us an indication if there is a bug problem in here or not. If you want to spruce up your own plant or give as a gift, we have these really nice seasonal pot covers. Plus, more plants are coming next week, early in the week, including Christmas cactus, cyclamen, and the Norfolk Island pine. And the next thing we were able to accomplish in the nice weather, may not be exciting to you, but it is very exciting to us, is we, Barber and Asphalt came out and did a couple of different areas of our driveway, like here next to our arborvitae and cedars and over in our delivery entrance. It's nice and paved now instead of that dirty, dusty gravel. The warm days also allowed us to cut large amounts of evergreen branches at Galehouse Tree Farms over in Doylestown. These branches are used for our handmade decorations, and the work has begun on those as well. For more information on our holiday selection, please visit our website. And with the cutting of these branches, that means that our live wreaths, roping, garlands, swags, loose screens to make your own centerpieces will be here soon. We are bound to pick those up Monday morning, so hopefully by Tuesday afternoon, everything will be out, these bins will be full, and you can start shopping. So I made it back. Last but not least, there are a few gardening tips for this week. To begin with, one would be to cut those very tall roses back to 2 foot to prevent wind whipping. You could also make sure you have that deer repellent on hand to prevent any damage on those susceptible trees and shrubs. Also, the leaves on my peach tree have fallen, so I think today I'm actually gonna go ahead and spray it with copper fungicide. On a final note, I will be editing this video using new software in a new way. So if you have any comments on the video, please leave them below. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.